Ecolab is the global leader in water, hygiene and energy technologies and services. We focus on manufacturing efficiency and sustainability, and now we're using digital technology to transform our businesses.
My name is Chandler Warren. I am a senior account manager for Ecolab. The part that I've always really enjoyed is I do want to help my customers. I do want to partner with them, but it's a hard environment. There are times we get so overwhelmed.
Often our sales force are bogged down in administrative activities. So one of my goals would be give them the time that they need to spend with their own teams and with our customers to continually drive value.
And we're really excited as we've launched an integrated solution for our field reps to manage everything from their accounts and statements of work to order tracking and e-commerce.
We've been able to consolidate where they used to go into many applications into a single application and really simplify the way that they're able to do their jobs. All data and observations that our field teams capture during their site visits get simplified through the Power App into Dynamics 365. It's more than just easy access to their applications. It's really delivering insights and rich data for them to make decisions quickly, which is critical in supporting our customers.
It allows me to prioritize my time, to reduce the amount of time spent on chasing down emails, chasing down notes.
They're looking at their sales performance, understanding where their biggest opportunities are, where the next critical activities they've got to take to support our customers will be.
Our job is to solve problems and make friends, and that's really what I want to do. And half of the problems that I spent troubleshooting, half of the issues that I went through and I spent days and weeks or months on, if I would have had this technology, some of this information at my fingertips, could have been solved in 24 hours. That's amazing.